Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video, we shall be looking at how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily disconnect your Facebook from Instagram. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, you can see down here, just click on menu, and once you click on menu, you can see settings at the top right corner. Once you click on settings, you can see settings and privacy. Just click on that and you can see over here, see more in accounts center. Just click on that and you can see your profile over here. Just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, you can see over here, select any of this. So let me select your Instagram account over here, and once you click on your Instagram account, just click on it and then you can see sync profile info. All you need to do is to make sure this button is off. You need to make sure this button is off, and by doing this you have disconnected your Facebook account from your Instagram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video